Well, good evening, everybody. Chef Holly here. And I'm here with Miguel.
Hi, guys.
Guess what? Making a very fancy dinner tonight. Now, Miguel will be making this Tanushi sushi. Look at this egg, tuna, and salmon roll. And Holly is making very fancy donuts. Tanushi donuts.
Tanushi?
I'm very excited.
So I will be making the sushi?
Yes, you will.
Dinner?
Now, Mary,
and
I'm a
Holly.
perfectionist, okay?
Yes.
Make it pretty.
Oh, I promise I will, Holly.
Thank you.
You make dinner, or I make dinner? Okay, we can.
All right, let's see here. Look at this. Oh, very fancy. I can't wait to start. Let me see yours, girl. Ooh, fish. You know what time it is? Time to break out my hands. Right, Holly stirred the dough. Made a bit of a mess, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. Very nice. I finished kneading the vanilla. Oh, it smells very good. Holly, just try a little bit.
Holly, no!
Onto the chocolate dough. Ooh.
Chocolate.
So
Chocolate.
stop watching me while I work. Now I'm stirring the French vanilla sauce. Oh, very fancy. So decadent.
Vanilla.
Ooh, fancy, fancy. Chocolate sauce. Ooh. Ooh.
Now that Holly's gone, we'll make Tanushi sushi.
All right, I think we're done. Are you done, girl?
Yes, I am.
All right, Potato will be judging the meal.
Oh, hello, Holly.
Very happy to be here.
I am so excited to judge tonight's meal. I heard you're an amazing chef.
You heard right, baby.
Oh, hi, Potato.
Hello, I'm very excited to try your fish plate.
All right, here it is.
Oh, my Lord. Look at this.
Here, let's turn it.
Look at this presentation. Oh, my God,
Caviar,
it's beautiful.
salmon roll.
Yes, salmon roll.
Omelette and
Oh, Mary, it's very
tuna.
beautiful. I see the soy glaze. It's lovely.
Yes, I kind of used this because I had a bunch of extras, so I made a
Let
sandwich.
me try a bite.
Yes, you can have the sandwich.
Oh, my Lord. Very decadent, girl. Girl, this is fantastic. Look at this. Look at this. So
Eggs.
delicate. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, this is lovely. Let me try a bite of this. Oh, my God. It's better than the mashed potato.
Whoa.
Save some for others, potato. Girl, I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Thank you,
But you know
Potato.
what? I would eat more, but I have to save room for Holly's dessert.
Alrighty. Holly!
All right, bring on round 2, dessert.
Potato, I'm so pleased to be...
The hell is this?
What the hell is this? Hold on, let me see the picture. What? Here, look. fancy donut. Look.
Okay. Is it edible?
Yes, potato. Holly made it herself. Look. Look. Hold on.
Yes, I'm looking. Mary, would you like to judge this round? Tato, you're the judge. You got. Oh, shit. Oh, excuse me, fans. Shoot. Oh, I will. I'll try it. Okay. I'm only trying one. Okay. All right. This one looks like a sheet of brick. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Here.
I call this one Neapolitan.
Okay, if you say so.
Look at this one. Square.
Yes, donuts are supposed to be round with a hole.
Let's see the other shapes.
All right, oh, look at this one. Looks like a bloody turd came out of someone's butt
What
very
is
painfully.
that shit, Holly?
All right, I'll take the path of least resistance. Let's try the Neapolitan. Oh, dear. Potato, stop. Potato, we're live. All right. Potato! Stop the video!
Potato! What?
Breathe, buddy, breathe!
Potato,
Well, yet? Where did he go?
What is up? What's that?
He's floating away. What happened to him?
Potato? I'm sorry, Holly, but you won't be able to see or smell him anymore. You won't be able to feel his spuddy
He
skin
died
next to
of
yours.
happiness from Holly Fantastic Dessert.
I'm sorry, Holly. He's dead. Your donut was a piece of shit.
Such a shame he died.
So good.
So damn good.